Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the project that I made, the locking and unlocking of a door. So we have a servo motor which is going to act as our door lock, and when it's in its horizontal position it's locked and it'll display the red LED, and when it's vertical it'll show the green LED. So when I press on the password on our keypad, which is 201, it's going to turn the servo motor to its upright position and the LED is going to be displayed as green. And otherwise, if it is locked, it's going to be displaying red. So I'm going to quickly show. If I click on 2, 0 and 1, as you can see, it's turned to its upright position and there's a green LED. And now if I press on hash or asterisk, it's going to go back to its horizontal position. And now I'm going to press it again to 0, 1. And as you can see, it's again upright. Let's reset it. So now I'm going to press on 2, 0, 1. And as you can see, it's upright. And now I'm going to reset it. It's a red LED. And if I press on 2, 0, 1, it's in its upright position and is glowing green. So I'm going to quickly reset it, and you can see it's in its horizontal position and there's a red LED. 2, 0, 1. So it's upright, and now if I reset it, but this time I type in a random password like 147, as you can see, nothing happens. So if I press 980, still nothing happens. Only by using the password that is set will it open. So let's quickly reset it, and now I'm going to run you through how I made it. So we have our two resistors which will go to ground on the power and ground on the digital. And our anode of our LED will go onto pin 13 and pin 12 on our digital. And our keypad will go between pin 2 and pin 10. And finally, for our servo motor, it will go between pin 11 on the digital, 5 volt and ground on the Arduino. So guys, I hope you liked this mini experiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the little notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Bye guys!